Which crater in the North Sea was recently confirmed to be created by a massive asteroid impact? Answer: Silver Pit Crater. Where was the new plant species Osbekia jubin-gargina discovered? Answer: Manas National Park, Assam. What was the focus of the recent DRIO operation in Andhra Pradesh? Answer: busting an illegal alprazolam manufacturing unit. Where is the Debrigad Welfare Sanctuary, which hosted the Indian Bison Feast, located? Answer: Odisha. The Kunar River recently in the news flow through which two countries? Answer: Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which country has become the first African nation to eliminate onchocerciasis? Answer: Niger. On which date is World Wetlands Day celebrated annually? Answer: 2 February. Which country is hosting the 9th Asian Winter Game? Answer: China. In which Indian state was the elusive rusty spotted cat recently spotted? Answer: West Bengal. Which artist received the most nominations at the 67th Grammy Award? Answer: Beyonce. Who was awarded Best New Artist at the 67th Grammy Award? Answer: Olivia Rodrigo. Who won the Album of the Year at the 67th Grammy Award? Answer: Beyonce for Cowboy Carter. Which Indian state launched the Indrama Atmiya Bharosa scheme recently? Answer: Telangana. Which state tableau won the first prize in the state UTS category at the Republic Day Parade 2025? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian state has officially declared Kaji Nemu as the state fruit? Answer: Assam. Where is the country's first national museum of epigraphy being established? Answer: Hyderabad. Who recently assumed the charge as the Vice Chief of the Indian Army? Answer: Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi. The Sudarshan Setu Bridge connects which two locations? Answer: Bet Dwarka Island and Oka. What is the total number of Ramsar sites in India? Answer: 80. Who has been appointed as the CEO of FSSAI, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India? Answer: Arun Singhal.
Thank you for watching this video.